Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 4 blenders of 2025 that you absolutely need to know about. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or prepping food, these blenders have got you covered. We'll break down their performance, design, and overall value so you can find the perfect one to fit your needs. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, first up is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite. This blender is a standout in the budget category, offering a surprising amount of power and versatility for its price point. This blender is all about giving you the most bang for your buck. At just $29.99, it's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on essential features. For just $29.99, you're getting a solid set of features. It's perfect for those who want a reliable blender without breaking the bank. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite comes with 12 different functions. These functions range from basic blending to more specialized tasks like pureeing and ice crushing. You can use it to puree soups, crush ice, and even mix batter. This makes it a versatile tool in the kitchen, capable of handling a variety of recipes. The 40-ounce glass jar is perfect for making smoothies for 2. It's spacious enough to handle larger batches, yet compact enough to store easily. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. You won't have to worry about spending extra time scrubbing it by hand. Under the hood, it packs a 700-watt motor. This motor provides enough power to handle most blending tasks with ease. It's not the fastest, but it can handle frozen fruits and veggies. This makes it a great option for making smoothies, sauces, and more. The simplicity of this blender is a big plus. It's designed to be user-friendly, with straightforward controls that anyone can master. Basic on-off switch, pulse function, and a speed dial. These controls make it easy to adjust the blender to suit your needs. It's intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. You don't need to be a kitchen expert to get the most out of this blender. The base is sturdy and the jar locks securely. This ensures that the blender stays in place during use, providing a safe and stable blending experience. Overall, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a versatile and affordable blender. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender can handle it all. For $29.99, you really can't go wrong. It's a budget-friendly choice that delivers impressive performance and convenience. Next up, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This compact powerhouse is designed for those who need a quick and efficient way to blend their favorite drinks and foods. Whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or need a quick snack after a workout, this blender has got you covered. This is perfect for anyone who's always on the go. Imagine blending a fresh smoothie right after your morning jog or preparing a quick protein shake at the gym. The convenience it offers is unparalleled. Despite its small size, it packs a 700-watt base. This means it can handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice with ease, giving you a smooth and consistent blend every time. It comes with 2 16-ounce cups with spout lids. These cups are perfect for portion control and make it easy to take your drinks with you wherever you go. Blend directly in the cup, slap on a lid, and you're good to go. No need to transfer your drink to another container, which means less mess and fewer dishes to wash. It's perfect for taking your smoothies with you. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just running errands, you can enjoy a nutritious drink on the move. The Ninja Fit isn't just for smoothies, it's versatile for food prep too. You can use it to chop vegetables for a quick salad, or even prepare ingredients for a meal. You can chop nuts, grind coffee beans, and make dips. This makes it a multifunctional tool in your kitchen, saving you time and effort. It's incredibly easy to use. With its simple design, you don't need to be a tech expert to operate it. Just a few steps, and you're ready to blend. Just add ingredients, attach to the base, and pulse. The intuitive design ensures that you get the perfect blend every time without any hassle. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe. This means you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. The design is sleek and modern, and it comes in different colors. You can choose one that matches your kitchen decor or your personal style. At $54.99, it's a worthwhile investment for portability and convenience. Considering its versatility and power, it's a great value for money. It's powerful, versatile, and super easy to use. Whether you're making a smoothie, prepping food, or grinding coffee, this blender can do it all. The to-go cups are a game changer for busy mornings. They fit perfectly in your car's cup holder, making it easy to enjoy your drink during your commute. Chapter 3. Ninja BL610 Professional Best for Power Blending. This blender is for those serious about their blending. It crushes ice into snow and pulverizes frozen fruit in seconds. The Ninja BL610 has a powerful 1000-watt base. It features Ninja's total crushing technology. Ice, frozen fruit, nuts, seeds. This blender can handle it all. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or batch blending. The pitcher is BPA-free and has a convenient pour spout. It comes with 3 speeds and a pulse function. Despite its power, it's surprisingly quiet. At $79.99, it's an incredible value. It's perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, and sauces. Chapter 4. Neutra Bullet Full-Size Blender Combo, Best Overall. This blender is designed to meet all your blending needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. This blender does it all. From smoothies to nut butters, it handles a wide range of tasks effortlessly. It has a 1200-watt motor, providing the power needed to blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. It can pulverize anything from ice to nuts, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend every time. The unique blade design creates a powerful vortex, pulling ingredients down into the blades for thorough blending. It's incredibly versatile with a range of attachments, including different blades and containers for various tasks. It comes with a tamper, recipe book, and to-go cup, making it easy to create and enjoy your favorite recipes on the go. The control panel is simple and intuitive, allowing you to easily select the perfect setting for your blend. It has pre-programmed settings for smoothies and soups, taking the guesswork out of blending. It also has a pulse function and self-cleaning setting, making it easy to use and maintain. The built-in timer helps you keep track of blends, ensuring perfect results every time. The dark gray finish looks great in any kitchen, adding a touch of style to your countertop. It's compact for a full-size blender, fitting easily into small spaces without sacrificing performance. At $79.99, it's an investment that pays off, offering exceptional value for its price. If you're looking for the best, this is it. The Neutra Bullet full-size blender combo truly stands out as the best overall choice for any kitchen. And there you have it, the top 4 blenders of 2025. Whether you want something portable like the Ninja Fit, or a powerhouse like the Ninja BL610, there's a blender for everyone. Even our budget pick, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, offers great versatility. Consider your needs and budget to find the best blender for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.